Hello everyone. Everyone wants to learn AI, but no one has the correct path, not even me. We are learning every week and trying to bring the latest information to the community. That is the reason why 1.5 years back we started AI Guild. This is a closed serious members of people who want to really understand about AI, data science, be connected with the thought leaders and see what is happening, discuss, share their ideas, share what they are doing, as well as join weekly live workshops wherein I try to dive in with some new topics and do the workshop. Other than that, we have amazing resources that are there inside this community. This is a one stop solution for everything that you require. This is the platform. Right now we have approximately 100 members that are there, and let us go a little bit deeper into what is AI Guild. So we have created a detailed mind map of what all things that you can do in AI Guild. It is a huge community. As you can see, there are so many resources that it is not even coming in a screen. So if I go here, you will see it has access to 400 plus hours of recording. This is something that is amazing. Then we have so we everything is there that is there in the free community as well, so they have access to that, which we give a lot as well in the free community. Other than that, we have access to 400 plus hours of recording. That includes 40 plus courses and different resources. We will go up to that as well. Live workshops is something that we are doing every almost every week. We take a new topic and we go through this closed cohort of people that are there. So let us go a little bit deeper into what all options are there in this 400 plus courses. There are recordings. As you can see, there are courses and there are resources. So recording is one of the most important things that are there. All the community meetups, all the AI shows that we do, career talks that we do, and the weekly workshops that we do, which we have done approximately for more than 1.5 years. So 80 to 90 weekly workshops is there, and other events as well. So this is all the recordings. You will be getting it. You will be, if you cannot attend live, you can go and get into it later. For the courses, as you can see, these are all the courses that are available. We have more than 20 plus courses and we keep adding the different things that are there. There are some options for you to also get access to the private things that we do in AI residency for a small cost, but we have a lot of things that we have put across the developer side, the executive side, as well as the business and the no code low code side as well. So we have tried to combine everything together and give every one of you access to all these specific courses that are there, and we keep adding every month. We keep adding a new course or refreshing the old ones. As you know, AI is moving at a very fast rate that is there. Other than this, we have a lot of resources. So we will go a little bit into courses. We have everything starting from Python till your agentic AI and all those things that are there. Resources is something that we have lot of resources that are there. All these resources that are available for AI Guild, these are available for free. You have support materials, capstone ideas, ready to use uh, resume template, and all those things that are there. Other than that, you have agentic AI documents, every document that you want, and I have released 5 ebooks, which is also a part of what you are going to be getting as well. You can read it at your free time, but this is some all the 5 ebooks that we have launched in the last few years, and these are all the resources, all are exclusive resources that you will get. So this is what we have in our AI Guild. We have tried to put one-stop solution for all of you who want to get into the space of AI and is really confused with so many things that are happening on YouTube, Instagram, make $5,000 using NA10 and all that. BS? No. We are trying to put all the good content, and most of the content is recording by me. And also you have a lot of guest speakers recording, thought leaders who have worked in various amazing fields for 20 plus years and shared their knowledge with you. So this is valuable. I cannot put a dollar value to this, but this is very, very valuable. You will not get this type of resources anywhere at a price of a small coffee that is there. So please look into AI Guild. Whoever have joined this, access the materials, be active, and try to take it to the next level. So thank you everyone, and keep learning, and see you soon in the next